Hello everyone! For today's vlog, we're going to London. So all our bags are packed and we're ready to go. For this trip, we're traveling with the Eurostar train again. So pag magbiyahe dai kag train mga love you, dili na dai nimo dapat kilohon ng imuhang bag. Of course, you have to make sure nga dili kay siya bukat sa imuha nga kaya nimo siyang bitbiton. Kay ikaw ra gyud mismo mag-shuffle ana. So trip to London, i-check dai mo nila sa immigration. Mura gyud siya pareha sa airplane oy. So from Amsterdam, we have to stop in Brussels so we can take another train to go to London. So muni among sakyan nga train padulong London namo. So dito pa mo sa pinakaunahan. So nanata sa sulod mga love you, same sa akong giingon, make sure nga dili kay bugat imong bagahe kay ang pagbitbit sa sulod sa train bugat jud kayo. So nanata diri sa London mga love you, welcome. So we arrived at St. Pancras International Train Station. Tapos naat po dahil sila train station dinhi padulong po dito sa amuang hotel. So easy ra gyud kaayo siya pero struggle sa ako kay first time ba nako diri sa London, but wow, it's a very nice place. Oh my god, I love it. And then we took this train, mga love you, electric train din siya. Wala siya driver o computerized. It's very amazing. So we choose a hotel nearby the station. It's like 10 or 5 minutes walk. I think 5 minutes walk. And we stayed here in Premier Inn Hotel in Lewisham. We stayed here for 8 days. And they have their own restaurant. But they prefer that you let them know in advance if you are coming for breakfast and also in dinner. And also, you have to let them know if you want the room to be clean every day. They have a nice mirror.
And I think you can do your GoPro on the television. That's also nice.
Yeah.
I never tried that one, but I think you can.
And they have here, oh, I can make my own coffee. Have a TV and they have a sitting place there. They have air condition. They have a big bed and they have their bath. Oh, I'm so happy with the bath. Oh, I was really thinking that they don't have. But yeah. This is their bathroom. Oh, what nice. Oh, I will sit there. I will sit here later. That's so nice. Oh, I like that. So it's now, I think, how old? What time is it there?
Shall we go?
We can go. I think it's 3:30. Right? We're going out.
4 o'clock.
Oh, it's 4 o'clock. So we're going to go to the city. So let's see what's in the city. So on our first day, we went here in Greenwich Market. They have a lot of food. International food, mga love you. And when we came there, it smells so good. And this one is so fresh made. And you can shop as well. And then we went to have a walk in this beautiful garden named. And then because it's so warm weather, we found this small store really in the corner. And this is very unique. They have this beautiful ice cream. I choose this one. It says Oyster Delight. And it really made like a oyster. And then we went to have a walk in this tunnel. It was a good choice because it's cooler here and then outside. And then came in this beautiful tower bridge. It's really beautiful, mga love you. I really thought before that this is the London Bridge, but it's really not. I really thought, when I was young, I was really thinking that is the London Bridge. I'm really happy to see this in person. Oh my God, it feels like I'm dreaming. So it was a long day mga love you. So ready na mi muli sa mong hotel. So I told you na electric ni siya, walay driver nga ga-drive ani. Na-amaze gyud ko ako ni diri na sa tubangan gyud. So didto rami sa amo ang hotel mag dinner. So muna ilang restaurant. Nindot kayo og quiet siya. So for my dinner, this is what I eat. And then before I go to sleep, I want to try the bath. Ay lingaw kay ko ani niya oy. Sa long day walking sa kainit unya before going to sleep, muling ko dahil kadiri. Ah my God. It's just so nice. So the next morning, we have our breakfast in the hotel, in the restaurant. So they have this breakfast. You can eat here unlimited food and drinks. So you can choose whatever you want. And same as what I said, it's a very quiet restaurant. So you don't have so much distraction. So you can start your day very relaxed and peaceful. Yummy. So mga love you, mauday ni ang ilahang money. Oh my God, it's very fancy money. So with our second day, we want to go to this museum. This is a clock museum. You can learn a lot of things here. So for people that likes to go to a museum, this is a good place. I will put down the link below. Where is this place? And then we tried the touring boat. I forgot how much this was costing. But I will advise you that if you want to try this, try it very early in the morning because they have so much people here. When you come very early, you don't need to wait so much, so long.
Moonlight dancing so bright in this endless night. Beach lights calling with the tide. We're falling into sunset dreams where everything gleams.
Inside the boat, you also have the restaurant, so you can buy different kind of drinks here. I don't know if you can also eat here, but they have a drink.
Stars paint the sky so high. Ocean.
So after our boat experience, we were hungry, so we want to try this market. They have so much fresh food here, it's just too busy and a very long waiting for your food. But it's all worth it, the waiting, because they are so delicious, really. At last, nakita ra gyud ni na akong double-decker nga bus, mga love you. Oh my God. So we also want to see St. James Park, mga love you. They have a lot of nice flowers here. We just have a walk here and just have a relaxing day. And get a little bit cool place because, you know, it's very warm. And after that, I want to see the house of the king and queen. And before I got there, I need to look at this first. So another walking. There's a lot of gold you can see, but a lot of people want to see it. It's very amazing. But I just took a photos here and didn't stay so long. Kay gusto rin jud na ako makita bitaw unsa ni siyang gold din niya, unsa ni siya ka famous. So napatughan na nga akong gibati. Pero pertig yung lakawan na ako, layo jud kayo ang among gibaklayan. Pero okay ra kay nadala man po ko dire sa Jollibee. Agoy, layo kayo kong gibiyahian para lang makakauna ng Jollibee. Basta happy kaayo ko. Surprise pag yun din niya sa ako kay wala ko kabalo na na-appeal day siya sa planning na mo. And I'm happy kay ganahan siya sa taste sa Jollibee. And this place called Abi ninyo mga love you, ganahan kong colorful things. And because I came from the Philippines, naatay mga tricycle dito. So, na-surprise din ko sa mga tricycle. Unya, nalingaw po ko aning mga nag-costume, oh. Pero perting bisiya. Pero grabe ka po, oy. Grabe. Naaday mi sa Chinatown. So, na-curious ko, unsa gyud ni naadiri di ay. Nindot di ay. So, mga love you, next day na po ta. This is our third day. So, ato na po tag museum. Abi ninyo, ang museum there is free manggod. Unya sa akong naibawaan, muna siya ang pinaka-biggest science museum. So, ganahan kog science mga love you. So, curious ko unsay naadiri nila. So, na-amaze jud ko aning. Watch ninyo akong full video during dapita mga love you kay nindot jud kaayo. If ever na mo tay makaanhi mo in the future diri, nice gid ni nga place anhi ang labaw na naabitaw mo yung mga anak. Daghan sila matun-an diri. So, fulfill our day mga love you ni anhi mi diri sa famous shopping store. Mauni ang I'm amazed with their design here mga love you. Really, dili makulang ang imuhang pagtan-aw sa kaisa ra kailangan gid mo sa tan-awon permanente para makita ninyo ang iyang beauty. And oh my God, a lot of golds. And then because it's just nearby, we also came here inside Hamley's store. This is a very big Lego place in London. So if you like Legos, you can also come here. Naadi ay mi diri sa maunang daghan kaayo shopping mall nga masudlan. Medyo mahalang sila but it's okay. So, off to our fourth day mga love you. Ni adto mi diri sa Kingsguard mga love you kay gusto gyud nako makita unsa ilang ginapangbuhat dinhi kay nakikita nako sila sa video raman so kailangan makita nako in person. Naapo di ay sila museum mga love you. Kana bitaw mga guards sa Kings og sa ilahang mga horses og mga gamit sa mga horses ug mga sinina gani sa mga guards naa diri mga love you. Nya daghan kay kag may baw-an diri ay. So people that likes horses know that they also have a museum here. It's just at the back of the Kingsguard. I think you can also ask the police where this museum is. I find it difficult to find because it's really at the back of the building. And the entrance is not so expensive. You can learn a lot here. This one really makes me so happy too. Really, when I was here, it feels like I am dreaming. Thank you, Lord, for bringing me here. I always say that. So again, this is a tourist spot. So daghan kayong tao. But it's okay. I just took picture there and then go away. And after that one, we take another train and came here and just look and not buy anything. We came here for the food and for the nice building to see because I hear that they have a very nice building here. They have so much good artists here. And yes, I also hear that their drinks and food again is very nice here. So we're now inside Watch the whole video of this place, mga love you, because there's a lot of things to see. So we came here on our dinner time, or maybe snacks, I don't know. But this drink is so nice, and this one is so nice, and this one is so nice. It's just so nice. Everything is just so nice. See, I told you that building is so nice. And I saw this in TikTok, so I said, I go there. So off to our 5th day, mga love you. I sleep good, I have a bath, and I have everything. I eat good. So I said the next day we go try this flying in the sky. So first time Japonin ako gi-try, mga love you. So gali gid kaayo ko. You just never know. I was so gali. But again, I will advise that come here early para ang line dili kaayo taas kay sayang ang panahon, especially kung daghan kang gusto buhaton. So come here early in the morning as your first trip or end of the day para wala na kayo tao manguwat bitaw, dili masayang imuhang panahon nga naa ka dinhi. You have to try a lot of things here. It's so nice here. So we're taking the train underground, mga love you, kay mas paspas man siya, mas dali ra ka moabot, pero perti laging basiha. So pag magbakasyon ta, mga love you, mag-shopping pud ta, dili oy. Pero gipalit na ko ni siya. Og kanipod siya ganahan kay ko, promise. Naaday mi karon sa Westfield, mga love you, daghan kaayo mapalit ay basta, ay my god, you have to control yourself. But this place is very nice. Oh, it's very nice here. Very nice. So after shopping, mga love you, it's the end of their day. So manguli na ta. Diri rami dool sa hotel na ni hapon na sila Greek restaurant. Pagkanay sa ambience nila. The colors is so nice. And the food and drink, oh my god, it's so good, mga love you. So wala na ko siya nahurot tanan, gibit-bit na ko siya sa hotel. Pagka next day na nako siya gikaon kay lami kaay siya, mga love you. Unya, dili pud siya baya barato. Kailangan bit-bito nato siya kay para makaon nato siya for the next day or imo siyang ma-snack. Unya ilang mga trabahante, mga love you, kay mga buutan kaayo sila ay check nila og na pa ba may mga kinahanglan. Gusto pagay nila tagaan mi nila og Greek tea na wa na di na makayas tiyan. So for our dessert, mga love you, nag-share lang mi, lami kay ni siya. So off to our 6th day, mga love you. Thank you sa pagstay o watch. Mao day ni ang London Bridge, mga love you. So daghan pa kahit lang buhaton karon nga adlaw. So gusto na mo muadto sa boat kani daw famous na boat. So nanhimi diri mag-donate di ay pud ka naapod sila entrance, dili kay sila expensive. But this is so worth it place, mga love you. Nindot kay siya, nalingaw pud ko kay nindot kay akong sinina. Unya ganahan gid pud ko ani isayo-sayaw ni nako siya. So kay mubo man ko kani nga boat, tama-tama ra gyud siya sa akong height. Sa akong height makatindog ko, sa uban wa na magloko na sila og lakaw dinhi kay di gyud makaya sa kataas. So para sa ako gatindog ko. Para sa uban loko sila. So mga love you, naglakaw-lakaw na pud mi diring dapita. Unsa gani siyang dapita? Kani daw na bridge mo ni siya ang naa sa Harry Potter movie. So this bridge called Unya abi nako sa Paris lang na inani, mga love you, na apo di ay sila inani diri. Oh. So again, mga love you, kay gusto man ta ma-bright and hinapod mi diri sa museum. So pwede ra ka mag-donate diri, naa sila free entrance. So whoever wants to go to the museum, you can always come in here. Again, you will learn a lot of things here. Kani siya nga museum, daghan kay kog na-learn nga small things can make you very creative. It shows your creativity. Basta daghan ko na-learn diri. Naa na pod ang Tower Bridge. So kay ting taon naman pod, mga love you, nangita na pod mig kan-anan. So kay agapan man kog kape mo ni resulta nako kay agap og kape. So mga love you. Totoo kung gusto kong galingon. Muday ni ang akong pagkaon, mga love you. Naara ni siya abay sa Tower Bridge. Unya lami kay iyahang pagkaon, dili pa gyud siya mahal. Chicken wrap day ni ako ang gikaon, mga love you. Lami kay siya kay fresh made gyud. And during this time was raining, so we really had a place to stay. After we ate, we came here, mga love you. This was also in a movie of a Harry Potter. I'm a fan of Harry Potter movie. That's why I want to see these places where I saw it in the movie. Time to go home, mga love you. Abi ninyo mga discipline kay mga tao diri. Because when you're not in a hurry, you can stay at the right side. And if you're in a hurry, you go to the left side. And sa train pod, ipagawa sa nilang mga tao gikan sa sulod sa train ay ha ka mo sulod. Wala sila ka ng pushing bitaw. Mo nay akong na-notice diri sa London. So, off to our 7th day mga love you. So this is the time that we're going inside the Tower Bridge. I'm so excited. You know, the other day, we wanted to come here inside, but it was so busy, so we came here very early. We leave the hotel 7 o'clock, and we're here 8, I think, and I think they're open 9 o'clock. So we are the first batch of people that can come inside. There's a lot of things to see here, mga love you, a lot of things to learn. It's very interesting and how this one was built, and also the machine that is helping the bridge to open and close. This are the things that they use before. And this one is separated from the bridge, so you have to ask where is this one, because if you're not careful, you will forget this. So because it's our last day, mga love you, gusto ko mo palit aning balimbing og mga unsa-unsa pa nga akong nakita nga 10 years nga wala na nako nakita o lansonis pa. So nalipay gid kay ko na naabot ko din hiay. Tapos nag-adto pa gyud mi og Jollibee kay gusto jud ko mukaon pa og Jollibee og magbitbit pa og Jollibee padulong og uli. And it feels like Philippines here inside Jollibee, mga love you. Dagang kay kag madunggon nga Tagalog speaking, Bisaya speaking. Mura ra kag naa sa Pilipinas, promise unya ang ilaha bitong kaning pag-announce sa mga numbers, same ra jud siya. So now we're back at Westfield, mga love you. I want to buy a bath soap. And this store, they have so much things. You will be very spoiled here. Kaarte po na ako magbat-bat, uy. And so, mga love you, I want to buy lingerie from Victoria's Secret. I don't know, I cannot find Victoria's Secret in Netherlands, but here they have a very nice store. This is my bath soap, mga love you. It's pricey, but it's worth it. Deserve ni Ate Julie. Sa mukha, uy. So it's our 8th day, mga love you. It's time to go back home. So nagpalit mig week card. So kung naay leftover ato imong card, pwede nimo siya ipa-change, mabalik imong kwarta, tapos iuli ra pud nimo ang card sa ilaha. So it's check-in time, mga love you. Na-delayed among train during this time. So nag-wait mig almost 2 hours. My clothes is from Paris.
Yeah, but you go bottom purple
Yeah, right? It looks so nice. This is our luggage. I have a coffee. I have this. And I still have my Jollibee. So sige na nako siya tan-awon, mga love you, kay na-amaze jud ko sa iya. Mura gyud siya eroplano. Tapos moagi man gud mi sa tunnel gani under the water. So makita nimo siya unsa na siya ka deep. Unya unsa ka taas nga oras ka magstay under the water gani. Basta na-amaze lang ko. So same sa kong gingon, nagbitbit jud kog Jollibee kay kung di ka muulig Pilipinas or di ka moadtog London, di jud ka kakaon og Jollibee. Thank you for staying with me, mga love you, and finishing this video. I'll see you to my next vlog. Bye everyone. Take care. Mwah.